Alright, what's up everybody? So I'm gonna try to be doing like a daily kind of vlog. I don't know, try to do something where I can put out more videos frequently. We'll see how it goes. Jamie's coming along for the ride.
You're coming along for the ride, I'm driving.
Oh, that's right. But right now we're heading to drop off these orders because they're local. So we can drop these orders off local. We have the Terracotta's right here. Custom made by Jamie. You know, I help out here and there, but mainly done by her, which is really cool. They come out really great. They have nice sparkle. Check them out on our sites, our Instagrams, whatnot for more. DM us for inquiries. And then we have the shirts that we made. These are some dope ass shirts. Why is the letter? Oh, okay. So dope ass shirts right here. We got 2, so we're gonna go drop them off. Yeah. Let's go. Joshua Reese?
What is it?
I got a package for you.
What up?
What's up, man?
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing, brother?
Oh, shoot, my hair's
going
still
on
like
with you?
Forgot my hair was like this.
Josh right here with the first package, the first guy to buy something.
Open it.
Yeah, go for it, man.
Wear it right now.
Open it.
Oh shoot. Just ruin your packaging.
Nice packaging.
It is nice. That's tight. Ooh, ooh. All right, all right. Thank you. You know I can't read. No. Paper purchase with Meister Co. We appreciate your support. No, I'm gonna stop. All right. I'm wearing my shirt up. Looks really little buff, you know. Ooh.
Hey, it looks dope. Yeah, it looks good on you. I hate it. I want it back. That looks dope. We just dropped off our last package to our last, not our last customer, but our second person that bought. So now we gotta go back and make the rest of the stuff, cause you know, let's get to it. Oh, hello there. Is Paul back there? Paul?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
This is the office space. This is where the magic happens. Happens over here a little bit. Little magic over here. Little magic over there. That's where my magic happens. Some magic over here. On the other side there's there's a troll on the other side.
A little elf. Did Ray come home?
Yeah. Where is she?
Look at this one. This is another custom one that we got on the way. This one's dope. Jamie's on her 10-minute break. Get on it after you're done, please. Gang, gang. So now we're just gonna go ahead, sit, chill back, and relax and finish out the day. Do what we gotta do. The grind don't stop. The work don't stop. Nothing don't stop. I think there's a Is there a Michael Jackson song that goes like, no, the work don't stop. No. Well, anyways, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it.